Hello children, in this video we will see multiplication by a three-digit number. Our question is 742 multiplied by 128. 742 multiplied by 128. So first we will write the multiplicand, that is the first number 742. Now you will put a multiplication sign. Now write the multiplier, that is 128. We will start multiplying from the ones digit of the multiplier. It means first you will multiply 8 by these three numbers. First 8 by 2, then 8 by 4, then 8 by 7. Then you will multiply 2, and in the third step you will multiply 1. So we will start from 8. First we will multiply 8 by 2. Now here you can see that 8 is in ones place. So the place value of 8 in this number is 8 only, because it is in ones place. So we will multiply 8 by 2 first. 8 2s are 16. Put 6 over here and carry 1 above 4 and circle it. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are, it is 32. 32 plus 1. 32 plus 1, it is 33. So put 3 over here and carry the 3 in the tens place on 7. Now multiply 8 by 7. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 3 is equal to 59. So when you multiply 742 by 8, you will get 5936. So in this step what we had done? We had multiplied 742 by 8. The place value of 8 in 128 is 8. So that I had shown over here. We had multiplied it by 8. Now, in the second step, we will multiply by 2, but actually we are multiplying 742 by the place value of 2, because 2 is in tens place over here. So place value of 2 is 20. Okay. Now this 0, the 0 which we have in 20, this 0 we will place it over here. That's why we place a 0 before multiplying the second digit. So that's why we have to place 1 0 over here. Now you will multiply 2. So always remember, before multiplying the second digit, we have to place 1 0 below the ones place. In the ones place over here. Now you multiply 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 is a single digit number, so no need to carry anything. 2 4s are 8. Again 8 is a single digit number, no need to carry anything. 2 7s are 14. 14 is having 2 digits, but you see that 7 is the last number over here. We don't have any number this side. So when you multiply 2 by 7, you get 14. You have to write 1 also below and 4 also below, because there is no number over here. Okay. If there was any number, then we would have carried this 1 over there, but there is no number, so we have to write 14 over here. Now we had multiplied the second digit, that is 2. Now we will multiply the third digit, that is 1. Okay, now we will multiply the third digit, that is 1. But before multiplying 1, you have to put 2 zeros. Remember, before multiplying the third digit, always put 2 zeros, one in the ones place and other in the tens place. Why? Because in this line we are actually multiplying 742 by the place value of 1. So place value of 1 is 100 over here. 100 is having 2 zeros. So this 2 zeros are written over here. Now we will multiply 1 by 2 first. 1 2s are 2. 1 4s are 4. And 1 7s are 7. Now we had multiplied all the three numbers. Now the next step is addition. We have to add all the numbers over here. That is, we have to add this 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. Put 9 over here and carry 1 above. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 10 plus 4 is 14. Put 4 over here and carry 1 above. Now add this one. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 plus 7 is 9. So answer of this question is 94,978. Always remember, when you are multiplying a 3-digit number, when you multiply the second number, you have to put 1 zero over here. And when you multiply the third number, you have to put 2 zeros over here. Because actually we are multiplying the place value of these digits. We are multiplying the place value of these digits that you can see over here. I hope you have understood.